something in the closet. I felt it long ago. A silence way too heavy for something I don't know. My child says, "It's okay, Mom," with eyes that never blink. He just hides inside the dark. He doesn't like the light. I checked it in the morning. Nothing there at all. Just clothes and empty shadows hanging on the wall. But when I closed the door again, I heard a gentle tap, like fingers softly knocking from the other side of black. The nights became much colder. The air began to change. My child would sit there quietly and whisper to the frame. I asked him who he's talking to. He slowly turned his head and pointed at the closet. "He's waiting there," he said. I locked the door that evening, pushed a chair against the frame, but something kept on moving, still calling out my name. Then slowly through the wooden cracks, a shadow slipped outside. Not walking, not crawling, just stretching far and wide. Now every night it opens, no matter what I do. The lock is always broken, like it's been pulled straight through. My child now sleeps beside it, close to where it stays. And sometimes in the darkness, I see two sets of eyes. Tonight I tried to leave this house. I packed and ran outside, but something felt so wrong again. So I went back inside. The closet door was open wide, and something stood in there. It wasn't just a shadow now. It had a human stare. Why did you close the door? I was already out.